Are you having foot problems? Does it feel like someone is sticking a knife into the bottom of your foot? Maybe you're living in Southeast Asia where your lifestyle may be not as healthy as it once was. You are maybe a touch overweight, continuously walking on uneven ground, or sitting too much. You have probably developed a condition called plantar fasciitis. In this video, we take a look at what some of the hidden causes may be. Plantar fasciitis can be a very painful condition, and it may be ongoing unless you do something to fix the problem. If you are living in Thailand or are living in Southeast Asia, it may not be so easy to find a good doctor that can help you fix the problem. If this is your first time on the channel, or you have returned and like the content, then can I ask you to please like, share and subscribe. It really does help me and the channel. Oh yeah, don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss out on upcoming videos. And if you are interested in some cool links, then check them out in the description box below. Or are you looking for some merchandise, t-shirts, etc.? Then visit my store and check out what I've got to offer. Okay, let's start the video. Please comment below and join the conversation.
1. Tightness in the calf muscles. One well-publicized factor is a lack of upward bend in the ankle called dorsiflexion. It is often related to tight calf muscles. The foot will often compensate by rolling in, and this puts excessive pressure on the plantar fascia. 2. Tight hip flexors. This can limit how far the hip can extend backwards, which in turn prevents the calf and ankle getting the adequate lengthening they need. 3. Weakness in the gluteus maximus muscle. A strong, powerful gluteus maximum muscle stabilizes our gait and is crucial in propelling the body forwards in walking and running. 4. Weakness in the gluteus minimus and gluteus medius. These are the little brothers of the gluteus maximus, and they are just as important as their big brother. If these muscles are weak or not activating, you might see your hips rocking from side to side excessively. This affects what goes on at the ankle and heel, lower down the chain. 5. The culprit may not be on the same side as your plantar fasciitis. A tight left hip flexor can cause plantar fasciitis in the right foot. Why? Because all the muscles work together, and if one is out of balance, that affects the others. 6. Weak core muscles. If plantar fasciitis is on your right foot, your core needs to be strong so the controlling trunk can twist to the left. If it can't, then this has a knock-on effect down the leg to your ankle and foot. 7. Poor thoracic mobility. This is probably the least considered cause of plantar fasciitis. Stiffness in the mid and upper back is common in people who sit at a desk for long periods of time. Can also affect cyclists and weightlifters. Twisting and rotation is very important to this part of the body. If the trunk cannot twist and rotate, your core muscles will not enable as well. This uncontrolled rotation can have a knock-on effect all the way down the leg and overload the plantar fascia. Like any condition, having your body in balance is crucial to avoiding long-term conditions such as plantar fasciitis. Do some research and you will go a long way to ensuring that you not only fix the problem, but it does not return. There are many treatments recommended to stop the pain of plantar fasciitis, but I suggest taking a holistic route.